Hi, my name is Kumar. I'm the patient here. I'm undergoing Invisalign treatment under Dr. Angelika. I've been the patient for 1.5 years. This was my teeth before. You can see how crooked it was. Now, after 75 weeks, this is my teeth now. As you can see, it has undergone severe changes and quite good now. I'm very happy with the treatment. I wanted to have my teeth fixed for my marriage, so I did the right choice coming to Dr. Angelika, and she was very helpful throughout the process. Yes, there was not necessary to visit the doctor every time, so it was quite helpful with my busy schedules and all. I think I'm very happy with the treatment. I would recommend it to. I've already recommended it to 2 of my friends who have been here, but again, I would recommend it to anyone who is interested to have a perfect teeth and a perfect smile.